Welcome, in front of me is REALME Neo GT5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone is heating while charging. So the first thing that I want to briefly mention is that if your phone overheats when using a fast charger, then it's usually a normal thing. It happens with fast charging cables. So if you still want to reduce the overheat, then go to settings and check the battery section. Locate the applications that use the most resources of your smartphone. You can check by the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, maybe even more, and once you detect the applications that use the most of your resources, you can either basically you have to go to power saving settings, select up battery management, then select the application that you want to adjust, for example this browser, and for example if the background activity is allowed for this device, for this application, then disallow it in order for it to not consume your battery resources when you're not using this application. And after that you can also auto optimize battery use, or you can simply force stop this application. The next suggestion is that you should use the original charger and cable for your device, because some charging cables and AC adapters, especially not from reputable distributors, might cause damage to your battery and to your phone generally. So if your not original charging cable causing your device to overheat, then you should definitely change it. And the next advice is that you shouldn't use your phone while charging the battery. That's for sure. Just let it rest for a while, let it charge for a while, and then get back to your work if you can, of course. If you want to improve heat dissipation on your phone, you can also remove the case. As you can see, I'm not using any case on this phone, but if you have any, then you can remove it, and it also significantly reduces the heat maintaining on your phone. And the last advice that I wanted to share with you is that you should always charge your device in a cool, well-ventilated area. And basically that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope that this advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.